Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday y'all. So as you can see, I'm in my infamous garage. So I just wanted to hop on and just show y'all what I'm getting ready to start doing. So I went back to the nursery yesterday, and let me tell y'all, I went in there, and I'm glad I went yesterday because the flowers that I was telling y'all about that I wanted something that was already bloomed because I want the island to look nice for the rest of the summer. And how about I went out there and the ones that I wanted, with the full big fluffy pom-poms, only one left that had flowers on it. Like it was waiting on me. I'm so glad that I did go back yesterday. And then on top of that, we walking back up towards the door, the garage. The garage is going down. The other garage going down. The lady didn't even see us that they got customers in there, but we was outside though. Closed us in, and then she just so happened she was getting ready to close another garage, and she looked and saw us, and I'm like, I'm talking about locking us in, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and share with y'all what I got, and then I'll share with y'all again once I figure out the layout, because that's the only thing I got was the 3 yesterday, and once they get laid out and planted where I want them to be, then I told y'all I wanted rose bushes. I don't know what else I want to go with it, but once I get all of that, get these set in, then I can go back and get, what else I want to put in there. I'll figure it out. Hold on. Okay, so you might not be able to see that good because we're in the garage. This one right here, and this is called the Limelight Prime and Hydrangeas. So they're white, and then they'll start turning green, and then they're gonna turn like a light pink color. So that's that one. Chose that because it got a lot of greenery on there too. And then it got 2 of those. Remember I said I'm gonna get 2 of those. And so yeah, because they were taller and fuller. And then I got the pom-pom. But yeah, like I said, that was waiting on me. It definitely was waiting on me. But it's so pretty. Y'all know I got this color all through my house. I'm just loving the green. Loving, loving, loving. I would have wanted all different colors, but I wouldn't have wanted them tall. I would have just got the smaller ones that go in, if I had different color ones. But they are so pretty. And it's just so full already. So she gave us some tips. Oh, and this one right here is called the Powerball. And they all are hydrangeas. She gave us some tips on how to plant them, how to keep them watered, and I asked her about food and stuff like that. So yeah, she told us all about that. And when I went before, the other lady told me how to trim them up and stuff like that when one flower dies or something like that. Yeah. So, but she was saying you got to be careful because you could look at it and you could tell when you're cutting if it's getting ready to bud. So you don't want to cut where it's budding at in between the leaves, like right here. But yeah, so yep, I'm glad I was able to get some they had plenty of these limelights though that had flowers on them. But yeah, so let's go out here because he digging up the ones that was in the island. So the roots on those. Yep, so the island is just about completed as far as taking everything up. Huge. I probably could use 4 of them. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, especially with everything being gone out of it. And I got to get some more lights, and I need more lights for up closer where the other plants are too. I buy lights all the time, and they just, when they go out, they go out. But I haven't bought none this year yet. Besides the few that's over there, they've been up there for a couple of years. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, everything is out. My neighbor might want these plants right here because he digging up the ones that was in the island. So the roots on those. Yep, so the island is just about completed as far as taking everything up. This joker is huge. I probably could use 4 of them. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, especially with nothing, with everything being gone out of it. And I got to get some more lights, and I need more lights for up closer where the other plants are too. I buy lights all the time, and they just, when they go out, they go out. But I haven't bought none this year yet. Besides the few that's over there, they've been up there for a couple of years. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, everything is out. My neighbor might want these plants right here. So I'll see. I'm surprised she ain't came outside to be nosy yet. And I will tell her she can have them. But okay, I'm going to see. We're going to place these and place the plants and see where I want them to go. And then go from there with it. Like closing up some of these these holes and stuff. And getting the mulch back set out. But next year I'm gonna put rocks. But I might not put rocks on the whole thing. I might just do like a little pattern and put rocks in the front of the island. But I don't think I'm gonna do it this year. I don't think. But yeah. Okay. Got the first tree planted, and the other one is getting planted right now. And I'm trying to think. Wait a minute. I think that need to go back just a little bit. I'm just looking at it. That's what I just told you. Yeah, back some. I'm looking at it right now. With that tree being down, it needed some kind of a curb appeal. When I went to the store, the lady asked me, you just want something that you like, or you trying to do curb appeal? Both. A little bit of both, because I want my curb appeal to be nice. And I want the flowers that I like. And so I really wanted the hot pink. I was telling y'all that, and the purple and the blues and stuff. But those don't take high sun. These take full sun. So I don't have to worry about them burning up. So I'm really happy about that. Huh?
Seemed like that should have been the first.
I know it seemed like it's a little different now, but I don't know. I think because you know they fall.
Right here.
Let me see. It ain't wide though. It's narrow.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm gonna keep the pots though. It's got a year. They got a year warranty on it, and I have to come back with the book that they gave me, and the receipt is stapled to it. So, but I want to keep the pots just for a little bit, anyways. Pots ain't gonna hurt nothing. Dump the dirt out of it, keep the little tags and stuff. Yeah. So we just got one more to do, and then clean this mess up, and yeah. So, y'all, the sun is ooh. Anywho. So, y'all, I got to show y'all these pants I got. I got these pants yesterday. Can you see me? I got these pants yesterday, and they got all different color rhinestones on them. They are so cute. And so, in the men's, in the women's, I wear 30 waist. In the men's, I wear a 32 waist. And I thought I picked up a 32 waist, but I picked up a 30. So, I go back. I'm like, no, it was another pair, but it was a size 34. And I'm like, I don't wear 34. Them going to be too big because the 30 fitted real good, except for I couldn't zip them. And so I'm hoping when I go back to exchange them that they got a 32. If not, I'm just get the 34 and say whatever. But they did have some that had the same stones on them. Well, some different stones, same colors. And they had the faux leather on the front, like back in the day when we used to wear the leather in the front of our pants. So, but the ones I got was on clearance for $20. The other ones is $40. So I'm going to figure it out by the time I get down there. I don't know if I'm going today or tomorrow, but I plan on today. And then getting the rest of the stuff I want, I just get it while I'm down that way, the mulch and dirt or whatever. But yeah, so y'all know the tree got cut down, right? That's been about a month ago or almost a month. And he's digging up so many roots from that tree. Well, that could be from the other tree that got cut down too. It was a lilac tree that was on the end, and that got that cut down a few years ago. So it could be roots from that he's digging up on this end. But I know in the middle and on the other end, that was from the other tree. And yeah, I'm glad. I'm so happy that tree is gone. And now with the hydrangeas, oh, I'm so happy because that's like one of my favorite flowers besides roses. So yeah, I'm gonna get the rose bushes and put in there, and stagger them in there, and then, you know, I'll figure out the rest. But the lady was telling me about some type of greenery. Y'all can listen. This sun is beating y'all. Y'all can't really see my face, but y'all can hear me. But yeah, she was telling me about some type of greenery. She was showing it to me, actually. And the greenery, it comes up every year, but she was just saying it'll make it look good. Putting the greenery towards the front. And then some of them have flowers on them. They could be like small flowers that grow on them. So, but I just like I say, want to get that stuff all planted up so it'll be ready for the springtime when it comes. Only thing with the hydrangeas, going back to the hydrangeas, you know, it take a while for them to start flowering. They'll bud up, but it take a while for the flowers to start coming out. But when they do, they are so pretty. So, but yeah, I'm so glad that we went yesterday. Like I said, when I went, that day that I went, they had a lot of hydrangeas, the fluffy ones, the round fluffy ones that was budded and flowered, had a lot of buds on it, flowers on it. And when we went yesterday, literally it was one. It was just one, and I think it was waiting on me. It was meant for us to go yesterday. I'm telling you. I am telling you. And when the lady rung me up, like she said, oh, you got 2 of those and you got 1 of those? And then she rung me up like they was $50 a piece. $50 a piece for the, and when she rung me up, she charged me $100. $100 with tax, it was $105 and some change. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'm gonna receive this. I'm gonna receive it. But anyways, yeah. So I'll call y'all back. I gotta help out. Okay, so it's cleaned up just a little bit. I think my neighbor gonna get those 2 plants right there. But it's cleaned up a little bit, just as much as it could be until we come back from the store. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm loving it so far. It's gonna look nice once everything else get in there. And I'll probably get the mulching stuff and the dirt, but I don't even know if I'm gonna put it out yet until I get the other bushes and put them in, because it don't make sense, because we're gonna be digging up again to put that stuff in. So I'm trying to think, because I was gonna get 3 of the rose bushes. So I'm trying to think of how to do them, because I kind of wanted them to be like kind of staggered, like angled out in the mid, kind of in the middle, but angled out from that way and that way. Come in this direction, this way and this way. So I don't know if I should get 4 or just get 2. Maybe get 2 instead of what I was going to get before, and then get something else to put in front of it. What you think? Okay, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking about. I had done gotten in the shower. I said, let me throw something on before, because I knew I was finna go outside, right? I'm like, I'm only going to be out there for a little bit, because I ain't doing much out there anyways. So I'm going to take my shower and get all that on out the way, so that I can come on in. Powder my face up and throw my clothes on. I had some jeans and stuff out. They said it was gonna be 73 degrees. They lied. It was gonna rain all day. No, it showered for a minute, and it's super hot. Like that sun is beaming. It's in the 80s. They lied about that 73. It's in the 80s, and when I say the sun is beating down, it ain't cloudy. Cloudy where? Cloudy where? Because it ain't cloudy nowhere. And I called myself coming to the house to get this. If I would have waved the side of my hair first before I went outside, it would have been towed down. So I'm glad I didn't do that, because my head is soaking wet. So, but yeah, I'm so grateful for the ponytail. I ain't got to worry about much.